Hello, my name is Vinci from D16. Today I will explain about introduction volatile organic compound. VOC evaporate quickly and water insoluble. When medicine and refrigerants contain VOC, trichlorine, MTB, and chloroform are VOC. VOC are in petrol, hydrofluid, paint thinner, and dry cleaners. Volatile organic chemical collect groundwater. Some solid and liquid release VOC gases. VOC include a variety of chemicals that can harm health immediately and long term. Indoor VOC are 5 times higher than outdoor. Many products release VOC. Paint, varnish, and remover, cleaning product, pesticide, building material, furniture, office equipment like photocopy and printer, correction fluid, carbon paper, and graphic and craft supply like adhesive, tabs, and common hazardous material. Organic solvents are present in paint, varnish, wax, cleaning and disinfection items, domestic deep freezer, and hobby products. Fill in derive from organic matter. Utilization and retention of these items may result in the emission of organic molecules. That's for me. Thank you.
So hi guys, my name is Gabriela Nak Sinan. So my student ID is 1220103891. So my part is about case study. So I choose Bhopal tragedy. Bhopal tragedy was happened in Meghalaya, British India. This Bhopal tragedy was release of dangerous gas which is methylene associated from the Union Carbide Corporation pesticide plant. So result from the tragedy is was causing of 1,000 people death and leave some effect from those who still alive. So the next one is the causes of the event. So as you can see, I have list 5. So firstly, date and location. The date on the Bhopal tragedy happened is in the night of December 2 or 3 in 1984. So the location was in Bhopal, Indian, at the pesticide plant owned by the American corporation Union Carbide Corporation. So number 2 is chemical enough. This tragedy took place at a plant that store a large quantity of highly toxic chemical metallic society, which is MIC. MIC is the short name of methyl societate and other volatile organic compounds, VOC. Number 3 is intentional cause. The event began when a large volume of water was introduced into a store tank that contained MIC. This causes of chemical reaction and leading to increased temperature and pressure within the tank, resulting in the gas leak. Number 4 is sabotage claims. Union Carbide Corporation claimed that the tragedy was an of sabotage. They agree human effort was involved in introducing the water into the tank. So the last one is a safety system fails. The safety system, including the gas scrubber and flamethrower, failed to prevent the escape of deadly MIC gas. So, additionally, Bhopal tragedy exposed with highly toxic rich MIC and causing thousands of people die while they are in sleep. And this Bhopal tragedy also leave us long-term effect to the people who still survive. So as you can see in the slide, the causes of death is choking and reflexogenic circulatory collapse. So the long-term effect is eyes, chronic conjunctive and blindness. Number 2 is respiratory tracts, pulmonary fibrosis and chronic bronchitis. And number 3 is neurological system, impairment of memory or numbness. And number 4 is physiological problems, which is post-traumatic stress disorder. So number 5 is children healthy, fail to grow and intellectual impairment. So the sixth one is cancer. So number 7 is immune deficiency, and the last one is soil and water contamination in the area was blend of chronic healthy problem and high instances of birth defects in the area inhabited. So the lesson learned from the future in these cases is prioritizing the safety. Must prioritizing safety in industrial setting. The studies show that neglecting safety protocols and design flaws can causing catastrophic consequences. Ensuring the safety of workers, nearby community and the environment must take serious. Number B is legal challenge. The person justified for industrial disaster of this magnitude is complicated to handle. The Bhopal tragedy cases show that need for improve the legal to ensure timeline and fair compensation of victims. C is environmental stewardship. The long-term environmental impacts of the Bhopal gas strategy highlights the importance of environmental stewardship. Protecting the natural resources and restoring environmental damage is an important part of disaster recovery to prevent the environment from becoming the causes of human health problem. So the conclusion for this case study is provide a thorough summary of significance of the Bhopal gas tragedy. It emphasizes the importance of learning from such disaster, strengthening safety regulation, and ensuring cooperation responsibility to prevent the similar incident in the future. It serves as a reminder of the need to protect both human life and the environment. So that's all.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fusi bin Sani. My student ID is 1220103 Today I will discuss about the various route of exposure. First is inhalation. This is the most common route of exposure to VOC. They can be released into the air from products like paint, solvent, and cleaning agents, and can be inhaled when using or being near this product. Second is dermal contact. VOC can also be absorbed through the skin. This can happen when using products like cosmetic, lotion, or cleaning agent that contain VOC. Next is ingestion. While not a typical route of exposure, it possible to ingest VOC if they are present in contaminated food or water. Next is occupational exposure. Worker in industry that use or product VOC may be exposed through inhalation or dermal contact. Proper ventilation and personal protective equipment, that PPE, are essential to minimize exposure. And lastly, environmental exposure. VOC can be released into the environment from industrial process, vehicle, and natural source like plants. And next, people can be exposed to this compound through inhalation of outdoor air. It's important to be aware of VOC exposure and take precaution, especially in indoor environment where concentration can be higher due to limited ventilation. Using products with low VOC content and ensuring good ventilation can help reduce exposure. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Zuhair and I will be explaining about the impacts of VOCs on human health and environment. First thing first is impacts of VOC on human health. VOCs can lead to respiratory problem and worsen condition like asthma and bronchitis. Non-respiratory symptoms like headache, dizziness, and nausea can also result from VOC exposure. Certain VOCs, such as benzene and formaldehyde, are associated with an increased cancer risk. VOCs also can affect the central nervous system of humans, potentially leading to cognitive and neurological impairment. Next is the impact of VOCs on the environment. VOCs can contribute to air pollution, leading to ground-level ozone and smoke, harming human health and the environment. Some VOCs, like methane, act as potent greenhouse gases, contributing to global warming. VOCs also can contaminate groundwater, posing threats to drinking water and sources and aquatic ecosystem. Last but not least, exposure to VOCs can damage plant life and ecosystem, also affecting biodiversity and the local communities. So that's it for the impact of VOCs on human health and the environment. So VOC can impact both human health and the environment itself. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Eugene Baruchana Samson, and my student ID is 1220104017. And I will explain about the conclusion. So, volatile organic compound, in bracket VOCs, a broad category of organic molecule that really evaporate into the atmosphere and like to a number of environmental and health issues. The effective control techniques are necessary to reduce this problem based on control hierarchy such as elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative, and PPE. Reduce the amount of VOC released into the air is important to store products containing VOC in well-ventilated room or container. Using green building material is also important to consider materials such as formaldehyde-free plywood and low VOC carpet when renovating for better indoor air quality. Also install a local exhaust ventilation system close to the source of VOC emission. Implementing work scheduling also help to reduce exposure to volatile organic compound, in bracket VOC. Last, it's to prevent accident. Everyone working with or exposed to volatile organic chemicals should wear personal protective equipment such as wearing safety glasses, nitrile or neoprene glove, chemical resistant suit, and safety boot. That's all from me. Thank you.